Guys, it's me, your boy Dope Goods, and today we're gonna do. Sorry, the cameraman is making me laugh. Today we're gonna be doing a IRL basketball.
You should have
video,
seen what Gabe was just doing.
And the loser has to get shot with a BB gun in the back.
By me.
By him.
Oh yeah, Gabe.
So yeah, let's do this.
Shooting for ball.
If I make it, I get ball. If I miss, he gets ball.
Okay, Gabe's turn. Shooting for, oh, I guess not.
No, we're just going. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Let's get it.
Going to 11.
Also, you only get one shot, no rebounds. Just check out.
And you're going to 11.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Buckets!
The score. Is it on?
Yeah.
The score will be on the screen right there.
Recording.
Madison, get the fuck out of the way! I told my mom.
You're giving him so much editing.
Right. Come on. Oh my god.
Alright, score is 2-0. Gabe just had the most high-pitched squeal ever. Oh. 2-0. Never mind, 2-1.
Make him move!
Oh, that's how she get away with it.
But, hey.
Oh!
4-1.
Watch out! Watch out! You know it's
Yeah, whatever.
So close. Mosquito.
6 to what?
2.
Alright,
6-3.
Kobe!
Now I am.
Hi. Nope. Go. What? Oh, I'm done. Ah. Ooh, my butt. My thorax. That's on you.
Yes, it is. You just
Sir, how do you feel that you're losing?
Bad words.
Gabe just gave you a lot more editing. He just cussed like twice. And there it is. 1.
Time out. Let me record.
Madison, come back here. I'm not.
Start kneeling.
I am already.
Bobby.
Did you say Cobby?
Bobby.
8-3? Yeah, 8-3. That is 8-5. Yeah. 8-5.
8-5. No, it's fine.
Now, let's just delete it.
In
10-5.
I'm just kidding, I don't even know. Nope. It's out. No, it's out. You put your foot out. I saw it. It's out. That's not out. It's out. I thought the driveway right there's not out. Well.
Gabe, make a face. Or not. All right, guys. So
Gabe has to
Peyton
get
won.
shot. Gabe has to get shot.
Gabe gets shot. Oh, Gabe has to leave.
Wait, but Gabe will be shot.
Gabe will be shot in the next video.
Next video, Gabe will be shot.
Next video. Yeah, he's gonna get shot next video. Now he's leaving.
No!
Say goodbye to the camera, Gabe. Bye, Gabe. Goodbye, Gabe.
See ya.
Bye, Gabe.
Alright,
Okay, never mind. It's recording.
Alright, what's up, guys? Alright. So,
Why you say what's up?
I don't know. Next video, Gabe will be shot with this mag and a pistol. If you guys want to see that, subscribe down below. And turn off post
Subscribe to my channel and turn post notifications on. My channel will be in the description.
No, it won't.
Right? Yes.
Okay, so, yeah, guys. If you guys want to see that, turn on post notifications so you don't miss that video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.